Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today in this lecture number 6, we are going to study about the properties and the process and the state of the system in thermodynamics. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin the video. Friend, consider a man as shown here. The physical condition of this man can be described through its characteristics such as height, weight, complexion, gender, skin tone. All these are its characteristic of this man. So the condition of this man can be described through these characteristics. So these characteristics of this man are properties of this man, okay, which are specific to it. Similarly, if we want to describe the condition of a thermodynamic system, then we need to specify the characteristics such as pressure, temperature, volume, etc. etc. So the characteristics are called as properties of the system. Okay, now let us discuss state of a system. State: when all the properties of a system has a fixed definite value at a given point of time, then it is said to exhibit a fixed state. For example, let's see this tank. This is a tank in which water is there inside this tank, and we want to determine the state of the system in terms of its property. So this, suppose this tank is having a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius at this instant, pressure of 10,000 pascal at this instant, and volume of 1000 liter at this particular instant. So the system has all these three properties fixed. The temperature is fixed, pressure is fixed, volume is fixed, and other things are also fixed. So we can say that this system is having a particular state because the properties of the system like temperature, pressure and volume are fixed. So this is having a fixed state. So this is the definition of state. Now hence the water is said to have fixed state because its properties like temperature, pressure and volume are fixed. You should note that. Now friend, let us discuss the change of state. Any change in which one or more of the properties of a substance changes its value is called change of state. When any of the properties like temperature, pressure, volume of this tank as shown here, you can see this changes. If any of the property out of these, temperature, pressure and volume changes, then we can say that the system is going a change in state. Okay, now let us discuss the process. The succession of states that are passed through change of one state to change to another state constitute a process. That is, the various states are which are passed through when a system change goes from one state to another state is called as process. Now see this diagram, you can see this is the graph in which a system was initially at a state 1 represented by A, and it has reached to final state B. Okay, now the line here represent the path taken by this process, and each point over this line, that is the curve between A and B, shows the state of the system. That is, the various state passed between A and B are shown by each point. So infinite number of points will be there between point A and B. So there will be infinite number of states between A and B. And these coordinate pressure and temperature on the y and x axis represent the properties of the system. Okay, so this particular graph shows a process, okay, taken by a system. So friend, this was all for today's topic, and if you like my video, you can subscribe.